Alright, so this is the finalized product backlog for my term project in object-oriented software. My two weapons are an EMP that will destroy everything on screen, and a cannon that explodes at the point where I click the mouse. I have three types of enemies. One set that flies at the top of the screen, one that moves around diagonally across the screen, and one that moves vertically down the screen. The enemy that moves diagonally across the screen has the ability to change into a smaller version of itself and a different color. I used a decorator pattern and a strategy pattern for each of these. To implement my two design patterns. That is all.